In the spring of 2019, PowerShop provided a grant of $60,000 to the Reef Restoration Foundation to build an underwater coral nursery in the Great Barrier Reef. This project aimed to grow and restore coral more naturally resilient to bleaching, an event that has been accelerated by climate change. This grant was made possible by PowerShop customers supporting Your Community Energy, a program that allows them to pay for power and contribute a little extra to support environmental initiatives. Thanks to this grant, the Reef Restoration Foundation has successfully grown around 500 new resilient corals, most of which have found new homes amongst the Great Barrier Reef. The rest have been clipped and gone back in the nursery to keep the cycle going. Since this project began, PowerShoppers have contributed an additional $72,647 through Your Community Energy to support the amazing work of the Reef Restoration Foundation. This additional funding will support ongoing operations at the existing PowerShop Coral Nursery off Fitzroy Island, and we'll build another 10-tree coral nursery at Moore Reef. So thanks to our customers, we've been able to double the positive impact on the Great Barrier Reef. We couldn't be more proud of our PowerShop customers. These recent times have been tough, but their ongoing generosity and passion for the environment during all this uncertainty has been an inspiration to us here at PowerShop. We can't wait to reveal what our next Your Community Energy project has in store. PowerShop. Power you can be proud of.